Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find duplicate rows in Excel. Yes, you heard that right. Normally, what we tend to do is we tend to find the duplicate values in a column. But what if you want to find the duplicate rows, which means there are multiple columns and you want to find out if all the contents of that specific row have been repeated in any other row of a specific table. So without any ado, let's jump to the problem. Let us say you have a data like this, wherein you have multiple rows of data comprising of multiple headers like sale proceeds, total income, total cost of goods sold, gross profit, etc. across different states. So state 1 with a specific value, then state 2 with a specific value. But here you see state 1 is again appearing with the same value. So the objective is to identify the rows which have got duplicate values as a whole. Now, one way or the traditional way that comes to mind, or the traditional thing that comes to mind, is what if we simply select the entire data, go over to conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules and click on duplicate values. If we do that, what is the problem with it? You'll realize what this does is it does not check for the sanity of the row. It checks each and every cell, and if it finds any duplicate, it simply throws up as a red cell. For example, it found sale proceeds everywhere, so it just compared sales proceeds. Wherever it found a match, it showed a red highlight, which means it's a duplicate. But this is not our objective. Our objective is to only throw up a red color or a defined color when all these three are matching together. So let's see how to go about that. Let me undo this step. We will have to create a helper column. I'm calling it a helper column because it will help us get a specific solution to the specific problem that we have at hand. So what we will do is we will first create a concatenation of the three different columns that we have. Concatenation is very simple. You just need to select the first column, then you need to press the ampersand key, then select the second one, then again press the ampersand key, then press the third one, and you press OK. The moment you do that, you will get another column wherein you have everything concatenated. This is basically the helper column. The next step is simply to copy and replicate it in the entire column. Now it is appearing in this fashion because I am using a table format. If you are not using a table format, then you will get it in the traditional way of B3 and C3 and D3. That's how it will appear. It is all the same. It's just a matter of using a table versus a normal data range. Now our job is 70% done. The only thing that we need to do is select this column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and duplicate values, click OK. Now you see only those rows have been highlighted, or those values have been highlighted wherein all the three values are matching. So that is how you achieve an objective of highlighting duplicate rows, wherein you want to compare the values of all the columns in that row and then highlight if it is a duplicate or not. That's for today. If you like the contents, do consider subscribing and share it with somebody who might need it. Thanks for watching. Take care.